The fact that you are here means that you are interested in the most sought after skill in the industry today, financial modeling. Hi, I am Ayush Bajaj and I will be your instructor for this workshop. Now, financial modeling is of utmost importance, be it investment banking, be it budgeting, be it financial reporting, be it any kind of financial decision making, financial modeling is required. In this workshop, we aim to take a case study and prepare a fully comprehensive financial model in Excel. What's more, you get free access to our very comprehensive basic to advanced Excel course absolutely free. After this workshop, you get eligible to appear for Financial Modeling Level 1 exam by FMI Institute, Canada. After this workshop, you can also apply for NSE Financial Modeling certification. Now, this workshop comes in a very easy to understand manner, and you get a lot of downloadable resources from our side. So if you're ready to take that leap in your career, allow me and let's get started.